Should some businesses be able to recover pandemic damages from their insurance? That's the question pending before Nevada Supreme Court. Locals and tourists pack the Las Vegas Grand Bazaar shops every day, but that wasn't the case 3 years ago.
As far as I'm concerned, like, the world shut down.
JGB Retail owns the popular open-air mall. The company says it suffered millions of dollars in losses during the pandemic, and they want their insurance company, Star Surplus Lines, to pay up. They claim the virus caused property loss. After their claims were denied, JGB sued Star in 2020, but lost. Now the case is pending before the Nevada Supreme Court.
The presence of COVID caused them to lose their ability to conduct their business the way they had before the pandemic started.
John Ellison is an attorney and president of United Policyholders, a consumer agency. He says JGB should be compensated.
Insurance companies are in the business of assuming risk. That's the business they chose. And it doesn't seem right to me that when it's time for them to pay up, they can kind of throw it all back on the person who bought the protection against the risk.
But Dan Polzenberg, an attorney representing Star Surplus, says COVID-19 doesn't qualify as property damage.
COVID infects people, but it doesn't damage property.
UNLV law professor Jeffrey Stempel says it comes down to the language of the policy. After SARS broke out in 2003, many insurers began using a virus exclusion clause in their policies. JGB claims its policy doesn't have it.
I think the argument of no physical loss or damage is very weak on the part of the insurers, particularly since they didn't define the term in the policy.
But Polzenberg says the JGB policy does exclude viruses along with smoke, fumes, and hazardous materials.
Actually, the insureds lose two ways. Number one, it's not covered in the first place because it's not property damage. And number two, it's excluded because it's a virus.
If you take a look at this map from the University of Pennsylvania tracking COVID insurance litigation nationwide, you can see the virus has generated dozens of cases in Nevada and thousands of similar cases across the country as businesses fight to recover financial losses from the pandemic. Nevada's High Court heard from both sides in the case of JGB versus Star Surplus Lines. Ellison says it was a heated debate.
You never know what's going to happen. One thing I can predict, I think, is there's not going to be a unanimous decision.
It's unclear when the High Court's ruling will be handed down. Reporting outside Grand Bazaar shops, I'm Jaewon.